I'm about to make a $3 jar do the work of a whole drawer. Here are 10 petroleum jelly hacks you wish you knew earlier, plus a bonus at the end. 1. Heel repair overnight. Slather a thin layer on clean feet. Pull on socks, sleep. Wake up to softer heels. Wake up to softer cuticles. 1. Make your perfume last. Dab a rice grain amount on pulse points. Then spray. 1. Tame flyaways and brows. Warm a fingertip, smooth over frizz. Brush brows in place, no crunchy hairspray. 1. Stop chafing before it starts. Runners, thighs, underarms. Apply a thin barrier where friction hits. 1. Lipstick on teeth? Not today. After applying lipstick, swipe a tiny bit on your front teeth. 1. Gentle makeup remover. Massage a pea size onto skin to melt makeup. Wipe with a warm, damp cloth. Be careful around eyes. 1. No more hair dye stains. Trace your hairline and ears before coloring. Rinse off after. Skin stays clean. 1. Fix a stuck zipper. Rub a little along the teeth. Zip up and down to distribute. Glide restored. 1. Shine shoes and bags. Buff a dab onto leather to revive luster between polishes. 1. Remove a stuck ring. Coat your finger, twist gently, and slide it off without panic. Quick tips. Use the tiniest amount. Layer on damp skin for best results. Don't put it on fresh pimples. Reward time bonus. Keep nail polish bottles easy to open. Rub a thin smear around the neck before closing the cap. Next time, it twists like new. That's a dozen problems solved with one cheap jar. If you learned one new thing, you just saved money. You just saved time. And you just saved a headache. I'll see you in the next one.